Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how I cut and sew this press button shirt. If you are new here, please subscribe and remember the notification bell. So I fold my material into 2 and I will fold again to give me into 4. If you are new here, please subscribe and remember the notification bell. In that way you'll be notified each time I upload a video. So the full length I'm going to use is 38 inches plus 1 inch to sew. Shoulder is 22 inches divided by 2 is 11 inches plus half inch to sew. Placing my tape on the shoulder, I measured down 11 inches. That is for the armhole. So I'm going to cut. Before I cut, I will measure neckline 3 inches. You can measure 2.5 inches. So I will cut back with half inch. This is the armhole. I measure chest 58 inches all through the down part. The same measurement from chest to the bottom. 58 inches divided by 4 plus sewing allowance. So I'm going to cut the sleeve. I fold into 4. And I'm going to sew this Ankara in between the material. Length is 13 inches plus sewing allowance. Round sleeve is 16 inches divided by 2 is 8 inches plus sewing allowance. I cut. I notch. So like I said, I'm going to sew the Ankara material in between the sleeve, the first sleeve and the second sleeve. Just this way, I will place inside like this and sew. After that, I will hem the round sleeve. I'm done sewing. So I trim the extra from it. The measurement for the Ankara is 1 inch by the length of the sleeve. So I iron. And I iron the 1 inch to hem. I'm done sewing the second sleeve. So I'm going to sew the shoulder. I'm done sewing. I iron. So I will fold into 2. After finish ironing, I fold into 2. I'm going to cut the front neck. I measure from shoulder down 4 inches. And I will measure from where I mark down. I measure 4 inches, but I'm going to add to the cut. So I cut here. I'm going to add to the cut. I'm going to open and cut about 2 inches. So I cut about 2 inches more instead of 4 inches. So I cut 6 inches. So I'm going to use this Ankara, which is 7 inches. I will sew on one side, just like this, a notch. After that, I will iron and bring to the right side and stitch down. I will stitch this way. This is the flap. So the second one, I measure 3 inches by 9.5 inches, just a short flap. I'm going to sew in this way and bring to the right side when I'm done doing that. So on the sleeve, I measure round sleeve and sew on this 2 sides. So I'm sewing the flap. I'm going to iron and stitch down. So this is how I'm going to stitch down. I will first hold with pin to give me straight sewing. I hold with pin and iron very well. So I'm going to stitch down just like this and sew up to a point and leave some part open for press button. And I will use this one to sew the neckline. So I'm done sewing the flap and the neck. So I iron. After ironing, I'm going to sew to the front. I will stitch the neckline. So I'm done doing that. This is the back of the top, the neckline. I sew the 2 sides and I'm done sewing one sleeve. I will sew the second sleeve. I place on the armhole like this and I'm going to sew round. I sew the down part already and I will sew press button on it. I'm done sewing the sleeve and I will bring the right side out. So I'm done sewing press button on it. This is the final look, guys. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. If you are new here, you are welcome. Please subscribe and remember the notification bell. In that way, you'll be notified each time I upload a video. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. So this is the final look. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I will see you all in my next video.